Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to fix TikTok crashing problem, and now let's dive right in. Now to fix TikTok crashing problem, there are 3 or 4 fixes which you can apply to make that stop. Now let's proceed. Now in order to fix TikTok crashing, first we can do is open the settings of our phone, and after that go to apps and tap on the app management at the top of the screen. And over here, search for TikTok at the top of the screen by tapping on the search bar. Type in TikTok and open it. And on this interface, guys, you can see there is the storage uses option available for us. Tap on the storage uses. You can see there is the clear cache and the clear data option. Guys, if your TikTok is crashing too much, try clearing your cache over here, and after that reopen your TikTok. It should be fixed because a lot of cache can also make the TikTok crash. And if you tried this still it's crashing, then maybe your TikTok requires an update. So go back, open the Play Store on your phone and search for TikTok on the Play Store. And if it requires an update, guys, on the Google Play Store there will be an update button instead of the open. If you have the update button available, make sure to update your TikTok, guys. And with that being said, guys, after updating, open it. Maybe your TikTok will be fixed, which was crashing or not. Try reinstalling the TikTok from over here. Tap on uninstall and again reinstall your TikTok from the start. And with that being done, guys, your TikTok should fix. But you can, if you don't want to reinstall, you can just clear data from over here on the previous settings of our phone. Tap on the clear data and you will have to re-log into your TikTok from the start, where your TikTok will be like new. There will be no memory. From there it won't crash like usual. And with that being said, guys, after reinstalling or clearing the cache or data, try restarting your phone. With that being done, guys, your TikTok should be fixed, which was crashing. And guys, these are the fixes which you can apply to fix your TikTok crashing problem. And with that being said, guys, this is how to fix TikTok crashing. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.